Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use vitamin C serum for boys, only way. Start by patch testing a small area to check sensitivity before full face use. Gently cleanse, then apply 2 to 3 drops of serum to damp skin to improve absorption. Wait 1 to 2 minutes for the serum to settle, then follow with moisturizer and SPF 30 or higher during the day. Repeat nightly or every other night if irritation appears. In this video, I will show how to use vitamin C serum for boys, only way. Clean skin allows the serum to penetrate and work effectively, so start with a mild cleanser. Use 2 to 3 drops, warming the product between fingertips, and press lightly onto cheeks, forehead, and nose. Allow the serum to absorb for 1 to 2 minutes, then lock it in with moisturizer and apply SPF 30 for daytime protection and enhanced brightening benefits. In this video, I will show how to use vitamin C serum for boys, only way. Quick recommendation. If you want less mess and more time for routines, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a handy helper that cleans floors while you focus on skincare. It has voice control and smart mapping for easy use, making it a fun upgrade for busy mornings. Check the description for the link and deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to use vitamin C serum for boys, only way. Avoid common errors like overusing product, which can cause irritation, and mixing with acidic exfoliants at the same time. Apply a few drops and give each active product time to absorb to reduce reactions. Store your serum in a cool, dark place to keep potency, and reintroduce it slowly if you experience redness or sensitivity after initial use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.